The morning sun is breaking over endless open plains. A quiet kind of freedom rolling softly through my veins. Dust on my boots and a dream on my mind. I've been chasing down the hours I can never rewind. Life's a winding road where the signs fade away, but I still choose the long path day after day. The world tells me hurry, but the sky tells me slow. There's wisdom in the miles only travelers know. Every sunset whispers truths that no one speaks. You find yourself in pieces scattered over countless weeks. And I learned the hard way that the journey is the answer, even when it feels unclear. So I ride with dust on my boots and a fire inside. Let the wind be my teacher, let the mountains be my guide. I don't need a map for the place I'm trying to find, 'cause the road is my religion and the search is divine. I've lost a lot of moments chasing shadows in the night, but every broken memory leads me closer to the light. There's beauty in the aching and the choices that we make. A man becomes a man by the roads he dares to take. Some say life is measured by the things we own, but a heart grows stronger when it stands alone. In the middle of nowhere, you'll find what's real. Sometimes emptiness is what helps you heal. So I ride with dust on my boots and a fire inside. So I ride with dust on my boots and a fire inside. So I ride with dust on my boots and a fire inside. If tomorrow never comes, at least I know I've tried, leaving footprints on the horizon where the truth and road collide. There's a question in the wind that follows every curve, a whisper from the heavens, testing all I deserve. I've been riding for miles through the dust and the heat, trying to hear my heartbeat over the engine's steady beat. Every town is a lesson, every mile is a clue. The more I search for truth, the more I find it in the view. Silence on the shoulder speaks louder than the crowd. It's in the quiet moments that my soul feels proud. On this highway of answers, I keep rolling on, chasing meaning in the sunrise, learning right from wrong. Every question I carry, every burden I bear, feels lighter on the highway with the wind in my hair. I've seen faces fade like lights by the road, but the memories stay with me, softening the load. Life's a puzzle scattered across the land. You piece it together with your trembling hand. No one knows the final mark we'll leave behind, but I know the road remembers every wandering mind. On this highway of answers, on me walking on this highway of answers, on me walking on this highway of answers, on me walking on this highway of answers. Maybe the truth isn't something you find. Maybe it's something you become over time. On this highway of answers, I'm not afraid no more. On this highway of answers, I'm not afraid no more. And the road keeps singing, you're becoming who you're looking for.